What's going on, folks? We got a node heat call. Got a Goodman furnace. I've been here before. Saying that there was no heat. It's currently 65 in here. So let's see. Oh, looks like somebody left it open. I think they were saying that it was running, but it kept cutting off. So the flame's coming on. See if the blower kicks on. Pretty dirty. It looks to be a pretty old machine. It's got a lot of insulation. It looks like falling from like the attic area or something. Something sounds like the bearings on the deucer fan or something. I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, so it seems to be running right now. Let's see. The blower's blowing anything. I think I can hear it. So yes, you can tell it's a pretty old system that has never been replaced. This is old. This is pretty much like plastic piping. Look at these connections. And this old gas valve, shut off gas valve. That's pretty old. So, and that's not even up to like city code. Look at this. The electrical just right here, all wrapped up with all that electrical old tape. Not even mentioning the machine that's pretty dirty too. This here needs to be vacuumed and all that stuff. Might do that because there's a lot of insulation, like from the attic and stuff. So, yeah, she's definitely running. I can hear it. So I'm just gonna let it run for a little bit, see what it does. So I brought a flame sensor just in case. So see what it does. Okay, so it was blinking. It cut it off. It cut the flame off, and it was blinking one time. Let's just your one blank. This is normal operation. Ignition failure. It says gas flow. It says check. So it gives you pretty much here everything, you know, the diagram and all that. So here you got the trouble codes. It's just one blank. Ignition failure. It's gas flow, gas pressure, gas valve, flame sensor. Look at that. Flame sensor. So let's see. Yeah, you can tell this unit's pretty old. A lot of critters been through here. There's a lot of stuff in there. And inside in here is it's pretty damn dirty in there. So let's see. You better get the flame sensor out. So it's all the way back there. That guy back there. That white top over there. So it's all the way behind the gas valve. So I have this little husky ratchet. One side is a 1/4 inch. Works also for, you know, let's say you got a tight area somewhere, you gotta take a, you know, you can't fit a drill. You can use the 1/4 inch side or the 5/16 side, and it's ratchet. Both sides. So get it right out. Just set this right here. If I can pull it out from back there. See this guy right here, so just gonna go ahead and replace it. Like I said, we've been here before, done other services, and I've seen this unit a couple times, so I just brought an extra one just in case. The only thing I didn't have was an igniter. This was just a teeny bit longer. Let me take it out the bag. This one's just a tiny bit longer. So, but it should work. Just pretty much a straight replacement part. So, try get it back in there. That damn purple wire from the limit switches gets in the way. So yeah, I think I got it. See, I might have to try and fit my drill in there because since it's a tiny bit different, it doesn't exactly reach the hole for the screw to go in. So see if I can put it back on, and I'll show you guys. Okay, so installed it, powered it back on. Flames it. See if the new flame sensor will do. Kind of had to install it at an angle so I could grab because my drill doesn't fit pretty good in there. So it pretty much went in a little bit of an angle, crooked. So that should work. It's in the flame, so see if the blower kicks on. I heard the click. And blower's on. So let's close this door up. For a little bit and see what happens. It should work. Because it's pretty much like a generic flame sensor what I got. So, and then they've worked for me in the past, so hopefully it works today. I'm just gonna let it run for a little bit more, maybe like 5-10 more minutes. Make sure it doesn't cut off, and it should be good to go. So just came out to check out the outdoor unit. May just go ahead and look at that piece of coal on the top of the unit. May just go ahead and give the homeowner a quote to replace this system. So I gotta do weed whacker. So as you can see, it's an old system. It is R22. The coil inside said R22. So pretty sure. It is, so right here should be a pretty easy change out. But there's access right there. So I would like to reschedule with the owner and see if they can put the dog in just one room pretty much and show us the access to the attic so we can look at the ducts, possibly do a full change out. Probably a home performance on here. It's a great candidate for it. It's pretty old, but it will probably fail the test because it has old windows, old sliding doors that don't seal pretty good. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I went around, took some pictures. I'm just gonna try and go over, see if the dog don't bite me. See if I can check out the grill sizes and hopefully come back someday. Sometime next week or in the next couple weeks. So try to get up in the attic somehow if they have an access so we can check out the duct situation. Already, like I said, went around, took pictures of everything, inside, outside. It is an old Goodman R22 system. It definitely needs to be replaced. It needs a better seal job. Probably, if they approve the change out, we'll probably even change this plywood in here, so we can probably just rip out the unit, rip out the plywood, clean everything inside, seal it, put some ductboard inside, and seal the entire return cavity down there. Seal everything up here around the unit, coil and everything up there. Make sure everything's good and tight. Obviously, new PVC work. Because this drain goes down this way. reach temperature. Yep. So yeah, it's been running fine. So I'm just gonna leave it at 68. It's Honeywell T6. Just gonna leave it at 68. I checked the filter. Filter's good. So let me take the old flame sensor with me. I'll just throw it away. So yeah, everything went pretty smooth. It ran for another like 15-20 minutes while I took pictures, walk around and checked everything out. So I will see you guys in the next video, and hopefully I can keep filming and getting better at this. I bought, as you can see, I bought me a chest mount for the phone, and hopefully I can film in better angles, and if not, I'll just get a different camera. GoPro's a little bit lighter, and hopefully the videos are not too shaky with the phone. So yeah, I'll catch you guys out in the next one.